Welcome to Lesson 5, the final lesson of English One-to-One Tutor. Linear objectives. By the end of the lesson you should know what to include in order to write a satisfying ending to the story you've been working on in previous lessons. You should understand how to effectively close your story in a satisfying way, and you should be able to independently write a satisfying ending to your story which engages the reader. So starter, as always, find your favourite book or novel which is written in English. Copy out the first full page using pen and paper, then highlight and translate any words you do not understand. Again, if you do this daily, it will help you to greatly increase your levels of written English. Right, a satisfying ending. Your aim today is to end your story in a satisfying way. Start to imagine. When you unlock the cage, the reunion with your friends. Your feelings when you see them again. Their feelings about them seeing you. Ending the story by escaping the Grinch's lair into the wood, daylight and freedom. So just think about that now. Your tasks. Plan and write the ending. Include the following. How you use the key to free your friends. What you say and what they tell you. How you all run from the cave. Getting on your bikes and how you all felt at that moment. And finally, your final thoughts as you look back on your adventure. Okay, pause the video, look through and finish your story in a satisfying way. Right, final task. Think of a title for your story and write it at the top of the page. Self-assessment. Reread your handwritten page from the starter activity. Compare the sentences to the story you've just written. How does the start of your story compare? How does the ending compare? How does the whole thing compare? Focus on your use of conjunctions. Improve your story by trying to make better use of the connecting words. So there is your conjunction sheet. Please can you read through your whole story now and try and improve it the best you can. This concludes the 5 lessons of English One-to-One Tutor. To recap, the first lesson was an exercise in critical thinking whilst working on your general English skills. The remaining 4 lessons were designed to improve your levels of written English through creative writing. Throughout these 5 lessons, I have given you the tools to improve your English as an independent learner. Moving forwards, please bear in mind, the more you read and write in English, the more your knowledge, skills and understanding will develop.